Hello, greetings from Colorado Springs. My name is Lance Kohler. I'm the managing broker of the Cornerstone Real Estate Team. Today I'd like to go over 5 quick maintenance tips for landlords. 5 items that we want to make sure you're taking care of in your rental property. The first is we recommend you service your furnace and your air conditioner yearly. If the time's right, temperatures are right, you can have them both done at the same time. They can clean your furnace, run a function check, make sure there's no gas leaks, and then do the same for your air conditioning. They'll check to make sure the filter's clear. We do that as well. And if you have a gas-fired furnace, they'll also check your hot water heater for gas leaks. Gas leaks, obviously, natural gas leaks could be a huge safety concern. So you can get all 3 of those inspected and maintained at one shot. We recommend you do that yearly. Secondly is the cleaning out or clearing out the exhaust ducts for your clothes dryer. While the clothes dryer may not build up a lot of lint, at times you get a bird that nests in there, or maybe a squirrel or a chipmunk builds a nest in there, clogs up that exhaust duct with lint. Have that cleaned out, make sure that's free and clear so there's no fire hazard. And having that cleaned out also helps the clothes dryer operate at maximum efficiency, makes it easier on the appliance. Third item is if you have a wood-burning fireplace, you want to have the chimney cleaned out once a year. Clean out any buildup, any soot that's in there, reduces your chances of having a fire or a fire hazard. And if you have a gas fireplace, we recommend that you have that serviced once a year as well, just like if you have a gas furnace or gas hot water heater. Fourth item, your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors. You should really touch on those twice a year. Replace the batteries as a preventive measure. We do it here with the time changes. So when we move the clocks forward and back, that's our reminder to make sure we're in units, checking batteries and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. And the last item is your furnace filter, and you should be changing that quarterly, checking on that to make sure it's changed quarterly. Here at Cornerstone, we have a program where tenants will receive a furnace filter in the mail quarterly, so that it makes it really easy for them to change the filter. It gives them an automatic reminder to go in there and replace the filter. I hope this information was of value to you. I appreciate your time today. Make it a great day.